If you are new to my channel, hi, I'm Ashley, and if you are not, welcome back. So today we're going to be doing a DIY for these milk bottles that I got from the Dollar Tree. There have been a lot of things going on YouTube, Pinterest, and some blogs that have shown how you can do like really cute DIYs with these bottles, and they're only $1, so it's inexpensive. Well, the bottle is anyway. So I've seen people do centerpieces with these. They've built the wooden boxes, put them in there, add some water flowers, super cute. I've seen people just paint them, put flowers in them to give to other people. People have done like little party favors where they, they're actual milk jugs and they put the little straws in there. You can use these for shakes. Like, it's a whole bunch of stuff that you can do. But today, our DIY that we're going to be doing is we're going to do these for, let's say, if it was somebody's bridal shower or something like that. These can be little party favors that they give out. So, of course, if it's like a farmhouse or rustic kind of thing, you want to be using these. But let's get started. So first things first is our materials that we're going to be using. So we're going to be using our Art Minds chalk paint. This is simply white. Then we're going to fill it with our soft wax. We're going to be using just this little sponge brush, and we're going to wet distress the chalk paint, of course, because it's water-based, before we seal it with the wax. And so we have our little cloth. For our second milk jug, we're going to be using our spray paint. Now, this spray paint I got from Ollie's. If you don't have an Ollie's, sorry. But Ollie's is super, super cheap. It's an outlet you can go to. I normally go there to get books for Riley because they're like nice books and they're cheap. But I just ended up going to like their, supply section with like paints and everything, and I saw that they had like a truckload of spray paints, and they're like extra cheap. I paid like $2 for this, and normally if you go in your local Home Depot or Lowe's or even like Michael's or anything like that, these are going to be like $3.99, $3.89. Some can be $6 depending on the brand that you're buying. So yeah, these were super cheap at Ollie's. So if you have an Ollie's, check it out because they have like tons of spray paint and like paint brushes and stuff too. So we're going to be using that, and then we're going to top it with our satin by Valspar, and then we're going to distress it with our 220 grit paper. Okay, so we also are going to be using our jute cord. You can pick this up from the Dollar Tree, but I got this from Walmart. I've had it for a long time, so we're just going to be using it. And then we have these cute little knick-knacky things we might put on here. I don't know, but I do have them. So we'll see if we use those. And then, of course, we're going to be using our flowers. These are little floral flowers. I just got them from Michael's. You can get them from anywhere. The Dollar Tree even has, flowers you can use, or Walmart. They have, like, flowers there that are actually 97 cents. So you can go there to pick out your flowers as well. Or you can also, if this was, like, a real deal thing, you're giving it to someone for, like, a bridal shower or something, you can use live flowers. Alrighty, so let's get started for real. Number one, do not spray paint with your, I don't know what I was doing, like, not unless you want to get spray paint on your hands, or like you just don't care. Don't do that. Okay, so I switched over and put it on the cardboard. I don't know why I did that. Like, it's really retarded, but like now I have spray paint on my hand. I do not know how to get it off. Number two, as you can see, we were supposed to use Simply White, but obviously, I don't know, I probably like left it out or something, and it's totally like feels like clay down there. You can see it. Yeah, so, yeah, we're not using that. So that's why we switched over and we got our cashew going on here by Waverly. So it doesn't matter, it's chalk paint, so we're just going to be using it. So we're letting those things dry right now, and then we're going to do a second coat of our Waverly in cashew, and then we don't need another coat with the spray paint. It's totally good with one coat, and that is a paint and primer, which I guess really doesn't matter because it's glass. But anyways, so I'm going to go ahead, and while this is drying, I'm going to grab the spray painted bottle, and we will start to decorate that one. So let's do it. Wet distress this one. It's not perfect, but it's okay that it's not perfect because we're going to wet distress it. And we're going to take it off anyway. So let's get some water. Okay, we're back. So just take your rag and then just going to go like this. Do wet distress. Okay, so that's enough. So we're just going to let that be. Okay, so now we're going to distress this with our sandpaper. Still can't see it, but yeah. So just like that. Get it there. Just keep going around. It's coming at me. That's my serious face. My concentrated face. These are like white with like glitter, and that's not gonna kind of go with our theme. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my Deco Color pen. It's like gold, and we're going to write over the A, so it'll be gold. So that's just what I'm doing right now. So I'm gonna take it. I'm just gonna write on it. And this is something that I just had in my house because you can totally just buy gold letters, but I had this already, so I'm not about to go out and buy. But you can if you want, if you don't have it and you want gold or something. So okay, so we're gonna let that dry, and this is gonna go so much better with our two little birds here that we're going to put on both of them. Okay, so we're gonna pretend like one of our bridesmaids' name starts with an A, and then let's do D maybe. So another bridesmaid, D. Okay, and then I'm just gonna do the same thing again with this. Oh my god. Okay, so I have paint on my face. Let's take that off. Let me come off. When you like have paints and stuff, you get paint on your face. Great. Okay, we're good. So the jute cord. So now we have our jute cord, and if we can find the end. There's so much cord. Hold on. Okay. Hold on. We'll find it. We're gonna find it. We're going to find it. Where are you? Where are you? I found it. Okay. So, no, I didn't. Even though we can still use that. Oh. Okay. You know what? It's already pre-cut for us, guys. It's pre-cut. It's pre-cut already. So, anyways. So we're just gonna use the I'm calling this twine. Okay, we're gonna use this, and we are going to wrap it around each one of the milk jugs. super excited about how these turned out. They are so cute. Honestly, if you were like, oh my God, that's so cute. Where'd you get that, girl? Did you get that from TJ Maxx? Did you get it from Home Depot? Not Home Depot. Hobby Lobby, Marshalls. Oh no, I made them myself. If they were home decor, but these are for our bridal shower. Okay, so this is the one I redid the middle part because it was tearing me up. I couldn't take it. But this is this one, and this flower just wants to be all over the place. So oh my God. Anyways, in our final looks, this will look way better. But what? Oh my God. Okay. These flowers right now don't want to cooperate with me. But this is the chalk painted one. So cute for Diana, if that's her name. Okay, and then for Aaliyah, or Ashleigh. Thank you, girl. This is so cute. I love it. Thank you. Oh my God. This is so cute. It's gonna look so cute on my desk, girl. Thanks for my gift. Thank you. But this is the spray painted one. So, hold on. Okay, this is the spray painted one. I really love this one. It's just super cute to me. But why am I going like this? So I'm gonna do a final look so you guys see them close up. But these are the finished products. So if they were bridal shower gifts, these would be super cute if you had like a rustic themed bridal shower, or yeah, bridal shower. Bachelorette party, I don't think you'll be giving those away. But a bridal shower, you would. So these would be super, super cute. Then the girls can take them, put them in their house as home decor. So I hope you guys liked this Try It Out Tuesdays with the DIY. So we did the milk jugs from the Dollar Tree, and we made them into something you wouldn't even think came out of the Dollar Tree. But these did. So I really, really do think that you guys should try some of these. Even if you don't do these, you can just pick them up, and they can be like cute little things that you put in your house, party favors, whatevs. These are super cute and affordable, especially if you have a lot of this stuff already hanging around in your house. Inexpensive in itself, only $1 for the little glassware. So anyways, I will see you guys in my next tutorial, and thank you guys for watching. Make sure that you subscribe if you are not subscribed already, and like the video if you liked it. So I will see you guys next time. Bye.